Yes, my freestyle nation, dinner is now completed, guys. Sweet and sour chicken, gongo rice and peas, served with some veg on the side, and freestyle is just our vibes right here, guys. Remember, guys, like, share and comment. If you haven't hit subscribers yet, just hit the subscription button and join the freestyle nation. You know the vibes. And guys, in the meantime, guys, you know our World Cup time. You know what I mean? I hope your side sailing on the World Cup same way. My side of Argentina.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hurricane Freestyle Adventures. What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Hey my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. I hope you're having an amazing day. Freestyle, we have just hit 2.5k subs. And I just want to say a big thank you to all my viewers and all my subscribers. Art and love and love alone. Now we're now on our way to 3k subs. So guys, just hit that subscription button, guys. Share the videos, like up the videos, you know what I mean? Spread the love, spread the news, you know what I mean? Now freestyle today, we're back in the kitchen and it's all about some sweet and sour fried chicken, you know what I mean? So just sit back, relax, and come we cook freestyle way, you know the vibes. Cookings! So freestyle right here is my chicken, my natural season and my spices for my sweet and sour fried chicken. Now guys, as you can see guys, I went ahead already and wash and clean my chicken. And to wash my chicken guys, I use vinegar and water to wash my chicken. So it's now time for me to go ahead guys and start the seasoning process of my sweet and sour fried chicken Hurricane freestyle way. Now freestyle, I will now go ahead and add my spices. First I'm going to add some black pepper. You know black pepper give the chicken a nice flavor. And right here guys, I have some allspice season. It's a mixture of spices. I'm going to sprinkle some of my allspice over the chicken. After sprinkling the allspice freestyle, I'm going to add some all-purpose season. And I'm using the Maggi all-purpose season, give you a good flavor. Added my all-purpose, and in this guys is a mixture of spices also. It's called season to the bone. A mixture of spices. I'm now going to add some. Then I'm going to add some paprika. I like when my chicken is colorful. Now freestyle, what you want to do now guys, you want to massage your spices into your chicken. Right here guys, I have some pimento berries. I'm going to put the pimento berries inside of this little jar right here. As you know guys, I don't cook with my pimento berries. I love the flavor of my pimento berries. Then after putting the pimentos in this little jar guys, I'm going to use this and crush it to powder. Right, so after crushing this, it is going to have the look of the black pepper. Very tasty, very flavorful. You can't go wrong with the pimento berries guys. So I'm going to crush it. Now freestyle, after crushing the pimento berries guys, it is now powdery. You want to sprinkle it all over your chicken. And I must tell you guys, the aroma of the pimento berries is just, trust me, it's just a flavor that you can never get tired of. About 3 pegs of garlic, and I'm going to clean my garlic and add it. So freestyle nation, the seasoning of my chicken is now completed guys, with my spices and some onion, scallion and thyme. Now guys, I'm going to allow my chicken to sit there and marinate for probably like about an hour and a half. Then I will start the frying process guys. Freestyle, is now time to start the frying of the chicken, but first and foremost guys, you want to get some flour, and I'm going to add a small amount of black pepper to the flour, a small amount of paprika, also a small amount of chicken seasoning, After which I'm going to mix everything together. You have it. Now freestyle, after prepping your flour, right, you want to take the chicken from this one, put it in the flour. Then you want to make sure your chicken is based with the flour. Here you have it. Now it's time for us to put it in the pot to fry. So freestyle, my oil is now hot. So it's now time for me to go ahead and start the frying of our chicken. So freestyle, our chicken is coming along nice and lovely, guys. And you know, at freestyle we do whatever we do, guys, it is always well done, nice and crispy, as you can see for yourself, guys. So just stay tuned, soon come back. Now freestyle, the frying of my chicken is now completed. So what you want to do, guys, you want to get a piece of paper towel, place it in a container so the chicken could drain on it. Now I'll go ahead and take the chicken from the pot. There you have it, guys. And I said, guys, I love when my chicken is well done, and as you can see for yourself, they're looking nice and colorful, guys. Nice and crispy. There you have it. Nice and delicious, the freestyle way. You know the vibe. So freestyle, in the meantime, I will go ahead and start the preparation of my natural season for my sweet and sour sauce. Yes, my freestyle nation, so here you have it. The frying of my chicken is now completed, guys, and my veg and natural season is already prepped to make my barbecue sauce, and I'm using scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper, guys, and I'm using 3 different colors. And as you can see, guys, I cut my onion, my sweet pepper, and my carrot in cubes. So here you have it. Over here, guys, is my honey, my ketchup, and my dipping sweet and sour sauce. So guys, just sit back, relax, enjoy the ride. In the meantime, guys, if you haven't tell subscribers yet, just hit the subscription button, join the freestyle movement. Now it's time for me to go ahead and make my barbecue sauce or rain freestyle way. You know the vibes. Freestyle nation, hey freestyle. So guys, right here is the pot with some leftover oil from the fried chicken. I will now go ahead and put my natural season in. I'm going to allow my natural season, guys, to saute for probably like about 3 minutes. I don't want to have them too soft. Have my natural season saute, and I must tell you, freestyle, the aroma from my scallion, my onion, and my sweet pepper, my scotch bonnet pepper is just our vibes going on right here. So freestyle, the sauteing of my natural season is now completed, guys. There you have it, it's now completed. I will now go ahead and add a small amount of water. Freestyle, nice and delicious, guys. You know what freestyle is all about, the flavor, it's all about the taste. Now I will now go ahead, guys, and add some ketchup. Add some ketchup, then you want to stir everything together. And guys, as for the ketchup guys, it all depends on the amount that you want to add and the amount of chicken that you're cooking. After adding my ketchup freestyle, I will go ahead and add some sweet and sour sauce. Add in my sweet and sour sauce right here. Then you want to go ahead freestyle and you want to stir everything together. And as you can see guys, it's coming along nice and lovely, nice and delicious. Then after adding that guys, you want to go ahead and add a small amount of vinegar. I'm going to say about a teaspoon of vinegar. I had my vinegar. Then after adding my vinegar freestyle, I will go ahead and add some honey. I could use sugar instead, but I'm using honey. I add my honey. Then I'm going to stir everything together. And guys, just imagine with all these spices, all these seasons guys, the taste and the smell of this sauce is just simply amazing. Let me take a taste. Freestyle, this is it. This is it. Sweet and sour chicken, sweet and sour sauce, Orion freestyle way. Guys, it survives. Now freestyle, my sweet and sour sauce is now completed guys, as you can see for yourself. Now freestyle, now that our sauce is completed, I will go ahead and dip my chicken in the sauce, and I'm going to place it in this container right here. So you want to dip, make sure your chicken is soaked in the sweet and sour sauce, place it in the container, and guys, I must tell you, it survives. Sweet and sour chicken, Orion freestyle way, guys, it doesn't get any better than this. Now freestyle, after dipping your chicken, you want to go ahead guys and you want to get the remainder of the sauce and you want to pour it all over your chicken. So here you have it guys, sweet and sour chicken, Orion freestyle way guys, and as you can see for yourself, nice and delicious, nice and steamy, and freestyle, it doesn't get any better than this. Look at that, sweet and sour fried chicken, Orion freestyle way. And guys, to go with the sweet and sour chicken guys, we have some rice and peas to go with it, and as you can see guys, it's just a whole vibe. Yes, my freestyle nation, dinner is now completed guys. Sweet and sour chicken, gongo rice and peas, served with some veg on the side, and freestyle is just our vibes right here guys. Remember guys, like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, just hit the subscription button and join the freestyle nation. You know the vibes. And guys, in the meantime guys, you know our World Cup time. You know what I mean? I hope your side sitting on the World Cup same way. My side of Argentina. You don't know which side you are rep, but whatever side you're repping guys, like we see what going on, you know the vibes. You have to flag them in the comment section. Sweet and sour fried chicken, Orion freestyle way. You know the vibes. Freestyle. Until next time freestyle, catch you in the next one. You know the vibes. Remember guys to subscribe, like and share, I appreciate all the support I can get, guys. Subscribe. Freestyle, you know the vibe. Freestyle Nation. Hey, freestyle. Wow. Like, share, and comment. If you haven't subscribed as yet, the subscription button, join the movement. Freestyle.